Okay, welcome to Luxe Auto Concepts. So you want to wrap your taillights or your headlights, but you're kind of afraid to use a knife? Well, we have the perfect product for you. 3M's Design Line. It's perfect for getting those hard to do jobs done or getting over your fear of using a knife on paint or your actual taillight or headlight. So this helps prevent any cracks, any scratches because, again, no knife needed. Most important step is this bottle of prep you're gonna get. It's gonna be used to clean the surface, make sure you get the best adhesion possible, and pretty much allow you to have a perfect lay. So first things first, you wanna make sure you have a clean card, but if you don't, you just wanna make sure that the area you're gonna be working in is super clean. So we're gonna do this and just take this spray all around, and you really wanna focus on getting in the crevices because that's where the vinyl's gonna lay, and you don't wanna pick up any kind of dirt. So you take your microfiber that you're also gonna get with your kit, and you just make sure you clean, clean, clean. And also what you can do is take the card you're gonna get, fold it in between your microfiber, wet that with your prep spray, and just go in. The next step, we're gonna talk about knifeless tape. This is your best friend if you don't wanna risk cutting on your paint. So what knifeless tape is basically the same thing as a knife, but it allows you the freedom to kind of do crazy designs if you want, but to create that straight line so you don't have to worry about whether or not, hey, I don't know about my cutting skills. I may or may not cut my light, cut my paint. You just don't want to risk it. And you'll roll out your tape. So knifeless tape, it has a thin filament in the center, which allows you to pull. You're going to rip it through the vinyl, which we'll demonstrate later in the video. You're just going to press down and follow that little curve. This is Design Line Knifeless Tape, so it allows you to kind of get these curves, which again, you can use this for our vinyl and everything else. And next is the fun part. We get to actually lay the vinyl. And once you can feel the knifeless through the actual light wrap, that's kind of how you know you're ready to go. Whatever piece of Design Line you lay first, that's the last piece you pull. So if you lay two, the last one you lay is the first one you pull. Otherwise, you're gonna have what happens here, it's gonna break because this little piece of Design Line that's going vertically is stopping it because it's literally laying on top. And if you have enough, you can literally wrap it around your finger. The pink filament one is safe to do that, the other one is not. And you literally just pull it through. And then you take the vinyl that you're not using and the two pieces of filament, you're gonna pull it to make sure you get all of it. And then, for that, discard it and lay it. And then that's how you use Design Line.